enter the house, this is what you first see. We have a shoe rack here. My two dogs. This is Hachi Diego. Say hi. And so bathroom number 2. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the light. So this is the bathroom when you walk in. This is the bathroom that we use like most of the time. It's very gloomy today. It was raining earlier. So this is our parking downstairs. And that's it. From the hallway, I'm gonna close the door. Here's the kitchen where I spend almost all my time in here because I love to cook. So here's my coffee, but here's some things. Some wine. I got these spice holders from Budapest, Hungary. They're so cute. Some eggs. And I love the stove because it's gas. And I needed, I need to do the dishes. These are clean, I gotta put them away, but don't mind that. And this is a dishwasher. So I love how it just is hidden. I hope you guys subscribe, because I will be doing more videos like to show my face, and not from my phone either, but from my camera. But my camera's dead right now. And I look a hot mess, so I will post more videos showing me and how the area looks like, because I live in the city, so I live like literally walking distance from everything. So please subscribe and hit the like button, comment if you want any different videos like a day of my life, or what it's like living in Italy, being 22 years old.